Okay, in exercice 6, we're looking at logique ou illogique. Indique si les phrases suivantes sont logiques ou illogiques. And it says or straight up in English. Whoops. So looking at numéro 1, Noémie va faire une surprise à sa sœur pour son anniversaire. Noémie is going to do a surprise, d'accord, to her sister for her birthday. To me, that sounds très, très logique. So I'm going to put an X. Second one, mon ami est amoureux. Amoureux meaning in love d'une feuille de papier. Une feuille de papier, a sheet of paper. She's in love, my friend is in love with a sheet of paper. Sounds illogique to me. Come on, let me click it. Or at least incredibly unhealthy. Bon, numéro 7, la bonne réponse, the correct answer. Remember that bonne can mean correct as well. Complète chaque conversation avec une réponse appropriée. So here you have one sentence, and you're going to give a proper response to that conversation. And then number 2 is a separate conversation. So numéro 1 says, aujourd'hui, c'est mon anniversaire. So you're going to say, bon anniversaire. Okay. These, you may have to look at the one before it, but meilleur vœu means best wishes, d'accord? Vœu is a vocab word. You should be able to get that one. And joyeuse fête is like happy holidays, but it can be given with many different holidays. Bon, exercice 8, la conversation. Sarah essaie de choisir un cadeau pour Ahmed. Sarah is trying to choose a gift for Ahmed. Elle demande des conseils. She's asking for advice à Abdul. She's asking Abdul for advice. Remets leur conversation dans le bon ordre. Put their conversation in the right order. Now, let's see. You've got offre lui. So lui, you just learned as him, and it comes after pour and avec and stuff like that. Lui can also mean to him. It's called an indirect object pronoun, and we'll talk about it later. But just like nous can mean several things, so can lui. So lui means him, but it can also mean to him, as it does here. So offre lui, offer to him un chèque cadeau. I've got bonne idée. All right, il a déjà un pull comme ça. Déjà means already. D'accord, and you should know comme. You have an idea. Okay, so I'm going to start off the conversation. Sarah's asking for advice. She's going to ask, tu as une idée de cadeau pour Ahmed? And that's going to be your sentence 1. D'accord? And you all can fill in the rest of the conversation. Exercice 9, les mots croisés. Utilisez les indices pour remplir les mots croisés. This is a vocab activity. So using prepositions that you learned last time. So 3 across, for example, is like, which is comme. Voilà. And you're going to do just like that. D'accord? For the rest of it. C'est bon. Okay. Activité 10, les citations et les proverbes, trying to get you used to those prepositions still, since you'll be quizzed on those on the quiz. Remember, that goes with the first grammar piece. So you have to each his own. Literally, to each one his taste. Chacun means each one or each individual. So to each his own. To, I remember, is ah. Not going to let me do it, is it? Berg. All right. There's supposed to be an accent there. So second one, if you're not for me, you're against me. So you're going to use the words for and against. D'accord? So go ahead and do that one. All right, exercice 11. This is what your quiz will look like. D'accord? So it says, voici des phrases mélangées. Here are some mixed up sentences. Write them, écris-les, dans l'ordre grammaticalement logique, in the grammatically logical order. So you've got, for number 1, I'm going there. So you've got je, vais, and I to put together. Well, your verb is vais, so that I has to go before that verb, giving you j'y vais. D'accord? Let's do number 3 together as well. You've got je, aller, dois, I, and maintenant. D'accord? Well, maintenant is an adverb of time that's going to go at the very end or beginning. You can choose. So I'm going to get out of the way and I'm going to say maintenant. I have to go there now. I have to go there. Dois aller, I know that's going to be at least that. So now I'm left with I. Where do I put it? Do I put it in front of the conjugated verb or in front of the infinitive? Well, when there's an infinitive, you put it in front of the infinitive. D'accord? Maintenant, je dois y aller. Voilà. So you're going to do it like this. Pay attention to the past tense too. Remember that the past tense, do not give the pronoun to the past participle. Don't give it to the PP baby. The PP baby doesn't deserve things. All right. Exercice 12. This is the last one we're going to do. Exercice 12, it says, récris la phrase à gauche. Rewrite the sentence to the left avec le pronom adverbial I, with the adverbial pronoun I à droite. En plus que les autres mots qui manquent, as well as the other words that are missing. So, number 1, it says they're seeing each other over there. Ils se voient là-bas. We want to say they're seeing each other there. So, yeah, we're going to use the verb voir and put I in front of it. Easy. Use the verb voir, put I in front of it. C'est bon. All right. It looks like it's missing the verbs in all of them, so you're filling out all the verbs. So number 2, I'm going to put them on the table. I'm going to put them there. So je vais is a given, and then you've got an infinitive and an I. It goes in front of the infinitive. So je vais les y mettre. I'm going them there to put. All right, that's it. So voilà. Au revoir.